Hello, hello, for February 28th, last day of the month, 2018. We are looking at explosive moves using a new strategy for selling options as opposed to buying options. This is called a credit spread strategy. Vertical spreads, put spreads, credit spreads, that's the easy word. Anyway, so what we do is we pull up a scanner using Finviz for companies that are based in the States, optionable stocks, price under $10, typical volume over 500,000. So we don't want the straddlers, we want big moving companies, and something that is 10 times the normal average. So you can select this, but we're just looking for the big movers. So when I did that, I pulled up this company, ECYT, and this strategy uses these arrows where it's reached somewhat of an overbought zone. So you typically would sell calls at this $6 range, and so you'll see here that it's hit this point 3 times from way back in October 2017, and then fell to this $4 range, $4.25 say, went back up, fell, went lower, $3 range, even lower. And so typically there's some news events that will really cause this thing to skyrocket rather. And so that's the idea. So we're going to follow this trade. It's a case study. I'll upload the video and we'll see what happens.